Here I have Motorola Moto G5S Plus, and today I'm going to show you how to add photo to contact on this device. So first of all, you have to open your phone, go to contacts. Here you have to select contact which you want to add a photo. Then you have to tap on the pencil icon to edit it. Then you have to tap on the camera icon to add a photo to it. And then you can choose if you want to take a photo or you want to select the photo. Then you have to select the photo, adjust it, and tap done. And photo will be added. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.